wondered where you learned it from. You know very well. It's yours too. I forgot. Will you show me? What have you come for?
Off a nigga's ass, trying to take my style, man, trying to kick my cash. They didn't know that I had that flow. I hold this shit from the 74 dojo. The reason why you never heard of me, bro, is because I've been in a spot that don't represent. The hip-hop technology came real slow, but now that the door open up, here I go. I got competitors that want to think they better than me, with the mentally or microphone beat. Hold up and make sure you know where you stand. I'm a man and I hold my own. I don't need no click or no nigga hold my dick or people co-signing, trying to damn the shit. My microphone hits you faster than you ever heard. You can go ahead and document all my words. This is what happened when the microphone came out. Microphones was being blazed out in the NY or even the West Coast. But now it's time for you to understand the old 10. Supposed being me, Mr. Erie, Mr. Cup. Erie held it down so long ago, Joe. You never even heard my flow, cause I told you I was stocked out in the OHIO. Technology helped me to bring out my autonomy when it comes to hip-hop biology. I can go ahead and make sure you hear all my lyrical mythology. Some of it's true and some of it's false, but I'ma leave you to be the motherfucking boss. Be careful how I nail your body to a cross through these microphone skills like a holocaust. Once again, slave trade or even slavery. You motherfuckers that are braver than Braveheart was them the most when it came to show you I was the ultimate host. The microphone ceremonies don't go against me. Everybody sit back and feel the bill penalty of the real cheesy acts that's on display. Acting like a young kid couldn't get out and play anything on the microphone and my parameters. Understand that I got the gamma, waves like a hawk or even David Banner. But I don't understand because I can't fit my grammar. Still waiting for me to say something or rock or jump or sway or jump on some other nigga's job. I'd rather not, I'd rather rock around the clock. I know that y'all rather slang rock talking all that silly shit in a trap house trying to get your guap up. Do what you gotta do. I'ma do it. Real technique. Mr. Cup is how you address it. If you don't know me, son, don't even stress it. And my technique is so sick, so wicked at best. Some of y'all need a vest. For all that stress that you're talking, all that bad noise, watch out for ill kids like me. I'm like worse than a bad boy. I make up dumb ass, sick ass noise, and I don't play with kids that don't really handle this microphone shit. Yo, kids, I just handle shit. I already told kids I just complicated rappers with their kid on the mantle, you can celebrate them, acting like you hate them. Keep hating, my microphone will never go away. You can debate it, sit back, and try to act ill on my orchestration, but I'ma go ahead and give you visual and audio lyrical alliteration. There's your obliteration.